Assalamualaikum, 7th class. We study pollination. Pollination helps to produce new seeds that grow into new plants. First of all, we define pollination. The transfer of pollen grains from the anther of a flower to the stigma of the carpel is called pollination. With the help of this process, the male sex, जिसे हम स्पर्म भी कहते हैं, reaches the female sex cells eggs. सेक्स सेल्स आर आल्सो कॉल्ड गैमेट्स. सेक्स सेल्स को हम गैमेट्स के नाम से भी जानते हैं. नाउ कॉमन फ्लावर पार्ट्स. मोस्ट फ्लावर्स हैव 4 मेन पार्ट्स: सेपल, पेटल, स्टेमन्स एंड कार्पल्स. ग्रीन सेपल्स प्रोटेक्ट द फ्लावर फ्रॉम द सन एंड रेन इन बर्ड फॉर्म. The colored petals attract insects and other animals for the pollination of the flower. Stamens are the male part of a flower. Each stamen has a filament and an anther. Carpels are the female parts of a flower. Each carpel has a sticky stigma, a style, and an ovary. Ovules are present in the ovary. These are the main parts of the common flowers. Now we discuss kinds of pollination. There are 2 kinds of pollination: self-pollination and cross-pollination. First of all, we define self-pollination. The transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of the same flower or another flower on the same plant is called self-pollination. Example: pea, tomato, rice plant, etc. are self-pollinated. These are the examples of self-pollinations. जैसा कि आप डायग्राम में देख रहे हैं, सेल्फ पोलिनेशन में क्या होता है? नंबर 1, पोलन कम्स loose from stamens and then a pistil of the same flower collect the pollens. Then the process of self-pollination is occur. That is why the self-pollination is produced in this process. Now we study cross-pollination. This is the second kind of pollination. The transfer of pollen grains from the anther of a flower to the stigma of a flower on another plant of the same kind is called cross-pollination. Examples: willow, apple, papaya trees, etc. are cross-pollinated plants. For cross-pollination, the plants must grow flowers at the same time. Cross-pollination usually happens in plants in each other. Cross-pollination produces stronger plants as compared to the self-pollination. This is the cross-pollination. Some flowers have special features that favor cross-pollination. Examples: colored petals, long and sticky stigma. Now we discuss agents of pollination. Cross-pollination depends on insects visiting flowers of the same species in sequence. To help ensure that this happens, the plants have various characteristics that help pollinators locate the right flower, including the color, size, shape, and scent of the flower, as well as the food reward. Wind, water, insects, birds, and bats, etc. are a few pollinators. Now we discuss pollination by wind. The wind picks up the pollen grains from one flower and blows it on to another. Wind-pollinated plants have long stamens and carpels. Most grass depends upon wind for their pollination. Now we discuss pollination by animals. Insects and some other animals can also transfer pollen grains when they move from one flower to the other. Bright colors petals, charming shapes, nectars, guides, and pleasant smell attract animal towards flower. Now we discuss pollination by water. Pollination by water is not common, but a few plants releases their pollen grains into the water. The pollen grains move slowly along the water currents and reaches other aquatic plants. Hydrilla is examples of water pollinated plants. Now today we discuss pollination. First of all, we define pollination. After that, parts of pollination, and then kinds of pollination. Kinds of pollination में we study two kinds of pollination: self pollination and cross pollination. And after this we study detail agents of pollination. मेन जो pollination थे एजेंट्स के वो हमने पढ़े हैं, वो हैं पोलिनेशन बाय विंड, पोलिनेशन बाय एनिमल एंड पोलिनेशन बाय वाटर.